Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of SavvyCal Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install, and when you find it, click on it. From here, click Install and allow an install. Once that's done, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and search for the custom page of the application you just installed. In the custom page of that application, we have a series of important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Up next is the tutorials tab, which contains resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. And up next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your SavvyCal account online and click on Settings. In Settings, click on Developers. And in Developers, click Create a Token. Choose a name and click Create Token. Next, copy the private key, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then click Complete Setup. The application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.